Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I'm going to be making a winter themed soap using this fragrance from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's called Blue Winter Sky and it's very fresh and really pretty and kind of crisp smelling. It does have a 0.2% vanillin. So because of that, I'm going to be using a little titanium dioxide for the majority, and then I want to do a blue wispy swirl using this gorgeous aqua blue mica from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's kind of a tongue twister, Wholesale Supplies Plus. Anyway, whenever you see me using a Crafter's Choice label, it's from there. Anyway, this is a gorgeous color. We'll be using that for blue swirl, so it's just going to be white and blue. And for the liquid portion, I'm going to be doing a coconut milk. Just sounded yummy and great, and coconut milk makes a wonderful bar of soap and it's good for your skin. So not a lot going on, just blue and white, swirly, pretty. I might do a little bit of sprinkly like salts on top to look crystally like ice, and that's just sort of the theme, sort of just crisp and cool is what I'm going for. So I'm going to get everything pulled together and get my hair pulled back, get safety gear on, and let's make some winter-inspired soap. All right, so I've got all of my oils melted and ready to go, cooled off here for our winter sky. And here is my coconut milk portion. I'm going to add that right into the oils. So creamy. So I've discounted this volume from the lye solution water. There's the coconut milk. I'm going to add my colloidal oats in here. I do have my fragrance in here already. And here is my kaolin clay. We'll get those all blended in and absorbed and let them anchor while the lye water is cooling. Ready to move forward here, but I wanted to show you real quick. What I did was I wanted to have some crystally sparkles on top of this to represent sort of this wintry theme. So I have this pearl glitter crystals, which is basically just sugar, and then here is some rock salt that I spritzed with my rubbing alcohol, and I put just a pinch of the mica in there and rolled it around. So I'll do some blue rock salt and some sugar sprinkles on top just to make it really shiny, shimmery, pretty. I thought it would add a little something something up there. So here is my water discounted lye solution that has tussa silk and sodium lactate, and I'll just hand stir this in, and then we'll split off for our blue swirl. And just going to be simple but pretty. And oh, this fragrance smells wonderful. I need to look up the description of how to describe it to you because it smells fantastic. I really like it. It's got a little bit of sweet, a little bit of minty, kind of fresh. It's hard to describe. All right, so I'm just going for emulsion, and then we'll split off and do our colors. And this fragrance does say it discolors to light tan, so I'll be putting the titanium dioxide in the white portion just to kind of help it stay on the lighter side. There we go. I think we've got emulsion, so I'm going to pour off for my blue portion here. All right, it's the next morning, and here is my wonderful winter blue sky, and it's just gorgeous. But I want to shine up the top, so I'm going to steam it with my handy dandy clothes steamer here, just to add a little shine to it. Boy, this fragrance smells fantastic today. It's been a couple of hours since I steamed this. It's dry to the touch, and I wanted to read what the fragrance description says here off Wholesale Supplies Plus. It says, chilly winter notes of peppermint, spearmint, cool winter air sparkle through a fresh blend of lime, crisp apple, and bergamot, while notes of winter lily, coconut, and galbanum. I'm not sure what galbanum is, but anyway, it smells great. It's like a really nice blend of mint and crispy fruit, and it's just, this is a divine fragrance. This is probably one of my favorite, like, non-musky, non-foody fragrances. It smells great. Let's get into our blue winter sky here. And again, this was in the Pot Swirl, which are always just wonderful and random, and you never know what you're going to get, which I love. Oh, it smells beautiful. It just looks wispy and gorgeous. I'm loving these. And again, I'm cutting with the salt side down to help reduce drag marks through the loaf. Anytime you have anything chunky on top, it's good to cut it on its side so it doesn't pull through the soap, because it can get caught up on the string and pull through. So that's why I'm doing it that way. Oh my word, so pretty.